Jane Stamper, and today we've got some coloring and stamping to make this beautiful card. Let's get started. I've die cut out these pieces already for us. So before we glue things together, let's stamp. It's always important that when you have layered pieces and the top piece is stamped, stamp this first and then put things together. I'm going to stamp with Balmy Blue, and we're going to do this section. You'll see that when you're stamping, it's not going to perfectly line up, and that's okay because the boats will cover the pieces and the chair is going to cover, and then the sentiment strip is going to cover as well. So we're going to go pretty close to the horizon. The grass color. Now from this stamp set, I'm also going to use the speckled piece, which is going to make it look like sand. So next I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to stamp the boats. So on a piece of scrap, Whisper White, we're going to stamp the boats in Memento. So with the coloring, the Memento ink will make it so that the alcohol markers don't bleed when you're coloring. The important thing is to make sure that it's really dry before you start coloring. So while that's drying, let's glue our bases together. Now we're going to put on our chair, and because there's so many holes, you just want to dab in some of the areas so that it sticks down. It doesn't have to be completely glued everywhere because then it would come through and then it would be sticky. So just sort of wipe down any bubbles of glue that you have and put your chair right there. So now I'm going to stamp towards the top of the card piece. I'm going to wrap the ribbon. In the card, it has this, but it's too thick, so I'm going to use this one instead just to see how it looks. So to put this on, what I like to do is put a little strip of tape runner on the back, and then this will stick to it, which will help me when I'm wrapping it. So I'm going to go around 2 or 3 times. And that sticks on. So then I'm going to cut another piece to tie the knot in the center. Let's color our boats. Okay, let's finish our card. So for the boats, we're going to use the mini dimensionals. Thing to do is to add Winkostella. There's a shimmer to the sun. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the card today, guys. find all the supplies and everything that you need over on my website at thecanadianstamper.ca. Bye for now.